You want to start using Sezzle to make online payment and order? Here's how you can get it done. Note that in this video I will demonstrate iPhone instruction, so you can use the description listed to download the Sezzle app on your iPhone. So let's get started. How to download and install Sezzle app on iPhone? First thing you have to do, open the Apple Store on your iPhone, search for the Sezzle in the search bar, tap on get. Once tap on get, next to the Sezzle app to download it. After that, authenticate if needed. Authenticate means if your phone required for Face ID, passcode, or your Face ID passcode. Once you authenticate the passcode, then you can once install the app you can now install the app to your home screen. Then once you do that, go to your home screen, tap on the app, open it, sign in or create a new account to start using the Sezzle app. That's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. And also, the app can also be used for shipping and managing your payment order. And that's it.